Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we'll see today the part 2 of exercise 13. So we already done few questions. So we'll start with question number 4. Find the solution set of the following equations for the indicated replacement set. So this is the question given. So this says that x belongs to this, W stands for the whole number. So now let this will keep as it is. This as it is, this right hand side as it is. So plus 1 will go to the right hand side, that will be minus 1. So this the same, will be 24. So this is multiplication, so we can write here x as 24 because it goes to the other side, that will get divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6 fours are. So x is less than or equal to 4. So because now this is a whole number, we have to start with 0 and it is equal to 4 means the last number should be 4. So the solution set will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now this one, this is all the integers. Y belongs to this set of integers. So now we expand this one, so that will be 20 minus 4y is greater than or equal to y. So this will be the same, we'll take y on the other side. So this the same, this the same. Minus 4y is going to be plus 4y. This the same, so this is going to be, this will be 1, so that will be 5y. This is multiplication, so 20 divided by 5 will be 4. 4 is greater than or equal to y. So now this will be, we have to consider for this one, that is the negative, 0 and the positive integers, because it is a set of integers here. So now what we have to do, we'll start with some random numbers. So here will be from here 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. This dash 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 means so on. But the is greater than or equal to 4 means the last number should be 4 because this is a positive number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the last number should be 4. So this is the solution set for this one. Now here again the whole number. So now we'll keep this as it is. Here this will be expanded. 4 minus 4x. Bring x on one side. This is the same. Minus 4x will be plus 4x. This is the same. So minus 1 by 5 will be plus 1 by 5. So this is going to be 7x. And this, when we take the LCM of this one, so that is going to be 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. So this is multiplication here. This is the same. So 21 by 5. So this will get divided. So this will be 7 1s are, 7 3s are. So that will be 3 by 5. So now since this is a whole number, so now 3 by 5 means that is going to be just 0.6. So now x is less than 0.6 means we have to just take 0. Because this is x is less than 0.6 because it's a whole number. Now this, or we have to see for x belongs to the natural number. So now what we'll do, when we take the LCM of this one, so that is going to be 12. So this should be multiplied by 4. This will be multiplied by 3. So this is that step. So now we will expand this 20x minus 4 and this will be 9 minus 6x. Take x on one side, so this will be plus 6x. This is the same. Minus 4 is going to be plus 4. 26x is greater than or equal to 13. So x will be 13. This is multiplication, so this is going to get divided. So this will be 13 ones are, 13 twos are. Now since these are the natural numbers means it will always start with 1, 2 and so on. So this will be 1 by 2 is going to be 0.5. So 0.5 means we are rounding, if we do that is going to be 1 because 5 and more than 5 it goes to the other side. Then it is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. So we'll start with 1 and so on because these are the natural numbers, so we don't have to include 0. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Again here, these are the set of integers. Now in this one we can see in here, first we'll take this 2. We'll take this part and solve over here. So this is going to be x as it is, this will come on the other side, that is going to be minus 2x. This is the same. This will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 8. So minus 2, this is with 1 plus 1, that is going to be minus x. This is the same. So minus 8 plus 5, which is going to be minus 3. So now you will see the minus sign on both the sides. So whenever you see minus on both the sides, so we have to change the inequality sign. So this was less than or equal to, so this is going to be more than or equal to sign. So this will consider as equation number 1. Now we will take this 2. That will be 2x plus 5 is less than 17. So this as it is, plus 5 will be minus 5. So 2x is going to be 12. So x will be here. So this will get divided by 2. So this will be 6x. So we'll consider this as equation number. So combining 1 and 2 when you combine. So how that sign is going to be now, see here. X is less than 6. X is less than 6. And here what we can see, x is greater than or equal to 3. So we have x here. So x is greater than or equal to 3. See the greater sign because x is greater. So wherever the bigger number, there we have to open the mouth of it. So here the sign reverses. So now what we can see from this 2, that x is greater than or equal to 3 means 3 should be written, and but it is less than 6. X is less than 6. It is greater than, x is greater than 3, but it is, x will be less than 6. So we have to include, because it is equal to here, so we have to include 3, but we don't have to write 6 over here. So that will be 3, 4 and 5. Now for this one, we are going to take this 2, which is written here. So now this will take on this side, that is going to be minus 8. This stays the same. Again, this is going to be the same. So now you can take the LCM of this one. So this will be 5. So that will be minus 4 minus 40 by 5. And this is 2x by 5 as it is. So this is going to be minus 4 minus 40 is going to be minus 44 by 5. So you can also, because now this gets cancelled out, or you can also write here one step if you want, minus 44 by 5 is less than 2x by 5, and later on you can cancel out. So here will be, this will go on the other side, so that is going to be minus 22. That will be less than x. So now here minus 22 is less than x, so this will be equation number 1. Now we will take this 2 part. So that is here. So this will be same, this will be same, this will be same, this will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 8. So this same. So here, here we can put here is equal to, so here will be 7. So 2x will be, this goes on the other side. So that will be, this is division, so it will get multiplied. So that will be 5 into 7, that will be 35. So x is going to be less than or equal to 35 divided by, this is multiplication, so it will get divided, which is going to be 17.5. So this will be equation number 2. But now since here it says it's a natural number, so natural number means it will start with 1, 2. So we don't have to consider this one because it's a negative number. So here we can just consider this part, the second part. So here will be, because that minus is not included there in the natural numbers, it starts with 1, 2 and so on. So now this is 17.5. So this will be x is less than or equal to 17.5. So what we'll do, we'll start with 1 because it's a natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 17. So we are not going to consider the 18 one because it is equal to, so that last number should be 17. So this is the solution set for that. Now here x belongs to the integers here. We'll take this together. We'll solve this part. So minus 4, this will be here. That will be minus 2. Same. So minus 4 minus 2 is going to be minus 6. Same. So this will go on the other side. So this is divided. So this will be multiplied. So minus 24 is less than 3x. So now this is multiplication. So it will get divided. So this is less than. So this is going to be 8. So minus 8 is less than x. So this will be equation number 1. Now we will take this and this part, which is here. So this the same, this is the same, this is the same. Plus 2 is going to be minus 2. So this will be 3. So this is going to be the same. So this will go on the other side. That will 4 3s are 12. So here will be x will be 12 divided by this 3. So which is going to be 4. So this is equation number 2. So now when we compare this 2 and here that is the all the integers. So integers means you have to include the negative numbers as well. So now what will you do? When we compare this 1 and 2, what we can see here, x is greater than, x is less than or equal to 4. So x is less than or equal to 4, we'll write over here. But then here it says that minus 8 is less than x, means x is greater than 8. So here x is greater than minus 8. So now what you can see, the numbers in between this equal to 4 means the 4 should be there, and now x is greater than minus 8. So minus 8 means that will be minus 7, because you know the smaller numbers in negative are the bigger one. So minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, that, and so on. And 1, 2, 3, 4. But usually we don't write so big numbers, just we put dash, dash, dash. And here we can put 4, because it is equal to 4. So this is the solution set for that. Now this is given all the natural numbers. So now let us take this two part. This is here. So now this is a mixed section. We'll make it to improper. 15 means 15. This should be multiplied 15 plus 2. That is going to be 17 by 5. This is the same. So now this is division. So it goes on the other side. 17 by 5 into 5. This is the same. So this and this gets cancelled out. So 17 is less than or equal to same part. So 17 plus 2 goes to the other side. That is going to be minus 2 is less than or equal to 3x. So this should be 15 is less than or equal to 3x. So this will be 15 divided by 3 will be less than or equal to x. So that will be 5 is less than or equal to x. So this will be question number 1. So now if you are considering this and this part, so that will be, here will be 25 plus 4, that will be 29 by 5. So this goes on the other side. This should be multiplied by 5, and this the same. So this and this gets cancelled out. So only remains is 3x plus 2. This is the same. So 3x on one side, this same, plus 2 on the other side, that will be minus 2. Same, this is going to be 27. So this is multiplication. So this gets divided by 3. So this is going to be x is less than or equal to 9. So this is equation number 2. When we take both these numbers together, so what we see here, first now let us consider this one, x is less than or equal to 9. So let us write it here. And here x is greater than or equal to 5. So x is greater than or equal to 5. So 5 should be here. So now what you can see, now this also is equal and this also is equal, means 5 also should be included and 9 also should be included, 5 and 9, and then the middle numbers. So this is the solution set for that one. So now let us see the next one. 15x minus 45, same here. 7x minus 21, and we have to see the natural numbers. Now see here 15x, this goes to the other side, minus 7x. This same, minus 21, minus 45 is going to be plus 45. This is going to be 8x, same, plus 45 and minus 21 is going to be 24. This is multiplication, so it is going to get divided by 8. 24 divided by 8. So this will be 3. So x is less than or equal to 3. So that is going to be equal to 3 means 3 should be there. And since it's a natural number, so we have to include 1 and not 0. So 1, 2, 3. Now let us see for this part all the integers, means all the negative and the positive ones. So when you multiply this into this, that is going to be 8x by 5. This into this will be 4 by 5. This will be minus 4 by 5. Again, this into this means 2 by 3. And when you multiply this into this, that is going to be minus 4x by 3. This is going to be the same. This is the same. This will go on the other side. Minus 4x by 3 is going to be plus 4x by 3. Minus 4 by 5 is going to be plus 4 by 5. Now you can take the LCM here. This is going to be 15. So this will be multiplied by 3. And this should be multiplied by 5. So that is going to be 24x plus 20x by 15. Again, this should be multiplied by 5. 15 is the LCM. And here will be 3. So 10 plus 12 by 15. So now what we can do here, this is going to be 44x by 15 and this is going to be 22x, 22, sorry, by 15. So now this and this will get cancelled out. So that will be 44x is greater than or equal to 22. So your x, this is multiplication. So 44 will get divided. So that is going to be 1 by 2. So now these are the integers here. So what we have to do here? Here is given here greater than or equal to 1 by 2. So that will be 0.5, greater than or equal to 0.5. So now, because now this is a positive one, so 0.5 is going to be 1. So it is going to be greater than means 1 should be there and then 2, 3 and so on because it is greater than. So this is the solution set. Now the natural numbers. So what did you do here? Minus 8. This will go on the other side. That is going to be minus 5. Same. This is the same. This is going to be minus 8, minus 5, minus 13. Same. So now what we can see, both the places whenever there is a negative sign, this equality sign reverses. This becomes positive as well as the equality sign reverses. So this was less than, so it becomes more than. This is the important step. So 13 will be 3x. So 13 divided by 3 is going to greater than x. So this is going to be approximately 4.3. Now it is greater than means x is less than 4.3. So, and it's a natural number. Natural number means it will start with 1 and less than 4.3 means the last number should be 4. So we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is little different. So you have to remember the inequality rules for this one. See here, negative and negative. This should be reversed. Now, these are the whole numbers. Same, this will be same. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. This will be 12. This is multiplication, so it is going to get divided. So this is going to be 3. Again here, so x is less than 3. So here, because it's a whole number, it will start with 0. Less than 3 means you don't have to include 3. So 1 and 2. So 0, 1, 2. So this is the solution set for that one. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.